Come cook with me as an unpaid personal chef.
No, because you actually just shook up my stomach. Literally, it's gonna make. No, because you actually just shook up my stomach. Literally, it's gonna make.
So measure your village's routes. Now you go catch 10 routes. You throw them in a pit. Soon there is one route that gets all the other. This particular individual just happens to be a black woman. And so
You gotta stir it real good. That way, when we add the juice, the water, the broth will be good. All that flavor, you see that? All that flavor.
What'd you put in there?
You know the stuff that I told you to put in there?
What stuff was
All
it?
those stuff. Like that. Put some water in there. Just water. Oh, slow down, right there. Stop. You stir a little bit. Okay, a little bit more. That's good.